So, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, chromium, manganese, iron.
So, Krishna, we have a hand raised here.
Above chromium.
Chromium, manganese.
Above it.
Oh, above it.
Before chromium is what he's saying.
Oh, okay. Yeah, titanium.
After that,
After titanium. Oh, sorry, vanadium.
what number was titanium on?
Titanium. That was. I don't know.
All right, that's fine. So
Okay.
you used one of the two methods.
Mhm.
Okay. Vanadium. All right.
Okay. Vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, uranium, krypton. Oh, sorry. Okay. Rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, and tin.
So Krishna, if you didn't apply the technique that you learned here, how long would this have taken?
Probably maybe like a week or two.
A week
Like
or two.
over that.
All right. And you want to tell them how long it took for you to commit to memory these 15?
It took me about an hour.
So from a week or over a week to an hour. All right. Great job.